있어도 안 먹어.
Okay, so we're back. Part 2. So please. It's the box. I'm sorry if you the red buttons and something made, but who cares? My turn. So I got Hunter Pence. See? Call Hamous from the Texas Rangers. Find the ball. Sorry if the camera's moving. It's just we have nowhere place to put it. So we put it on the edge of a freaking Gatorade bottle. And yeah, I'm sorry if you can't see me. We got, what is that, a T or a Y? I don't know, but it's Tyler Plugs or Yellow's Plugs. I can't see if that's T or not.
Actually, Yasiel Plug.
Oh.
I don't know how to pronounce the name anyway.
Sorry if the camera keeps moving. We can't just hold it in there. Oh, freak! Sorry if you're seeing the ceiling. I'm so sorry. My round the tongue.
I hate this, but I like it at the same time. Isaiah Crowell. From the freaking Cleveland Browns. Then we got Devontae Freeman.
From the Falcons,
Doug Baldwin, and
from the
they call him Trav, but they say he'll choke all the way to Foxborough. I did. It's Blake Bortles. I still.
Oh, this is the next one. I see try. Do you try? Try Turner. Turner. I just said that. Sorry if this is violent. Take me out to the ball game.
Take me out to the ball game.
Take me out to the ball game.
It is the Cubs World Series. I think, right?
Now we got Kluckler. I know he has no formation. Who is this guy?
Turns out
it's a mascot.
Yeah, we don't like mascots. Sometimes they choke me right now.
Sorry guys if you heard that big sound. Just the bottle fell.
Martin with Jeremy Hill. Yeah, Jeremy Hill.
They put him right on the sweater.
Jermaine Curse.
We be cursed forever.
Even Jermaine. Jesus.
Sorry guys, the camera is so bad. It's just we can't hold it. Okay, is that better? That's better, bro. That's better.
Jermaine Curse.
You can't see Santi because he has magic. Ooh, smack it up.
Now we got Jermaine Curse.
Yeah, he has magic. Wait, nope, that's not right. There.
Pierre Garcon. Jermaine Hopkins. And finally, Derek. I said David Carr. It's Derek Carr. And that is it for me. I leave it to you, bro. Boing. Yeah.
No. You are staying here. You just ate, bro. You just ate. Yeah, we ate McDonald's. It was delicious. Bro, stop, get up. We just ate.
I'm drunk. Nothing to go. What? I choked my fault.
Just skip that part. Don't tell your parents that you're watching this. Okay, we got Yankees
opponent.
The Mets Stadium.
City Field.
This
sucks. Suck bye.
We got Ozil Abel.
Abby's right here.
I just said that, bro. You're gonna have to correct me.
Everything's doing.
Steph Starford. Okay, I just used magic on Santi. He might come back. So I might just turn the camera sideways. And 3, 2, 1, abracadabra. Santi's back and doing the freaking dab.
I got 4 eyes. I don't give a fuck.
I know Santi has glasses. Last video he didn't see me with glasses. This video he needs glasses because he can't see.
Josh, you already told him right there. Wait.
We go Ruffle Devies.
The Cubs win the World Series.
I have Andrew Drubb.
drunk.
Brett.
It's drunk.
Trick shot. We got Joe Raras. We got twins Joe Barrier Rose. We got Astrals Hetry Cotton. You can make content candy with this.
Yeah.
Now we got the 3
New York Yankees. Since we are Yankee fans,
here you Yankee fans. Here are the 3 cards you will see.
let's start them off.
With Sonny Gray.
Sonny
Gray, actually.
Sonny Gray, yeah.
Sonny Gray, Yankee pitcher with the stats of no.
Trash is Yankee. Then we got another one.
Tanko
It's
pitcher. Masahiro Tanaka.
And finally,
With
good stats.
608 home runs.
And finally, if you are a Marlins fan, I am so sorry to say this, bro.
But we took him. Garland.
Giancarlo Stanton.
Giancarlo Stanton. One of the best players in Yankees. No, but less better than the boy, Aaron Judge.
He is now a Yankee. So Marlins fans, you want to hunt me down? You want to help my hit 1209? You're gonna kill it here. You big old weekend.
So yeah, that is it for part 2. We're gonna make a part 3. Psych!
No part 3.
We open these packs, so trick shot number 1 and trick shot number 2. Trick shot number 2.
That is
It's
so that
for
is
another
it.
video of packing,
Pack
but
opening.
this time in McDonald's. So if we want to do another pack opening on YouTube, you're gonna see it in somewhere else. Bye.